How to verify your phone number or email on Bolt. Verification is key for secure bookings and communication on Bolt, and here's how to do it. First, open Bolt app and go to Profile Settings. Tap phone number or email, then select Verify. You will get a code either by SMS or email. Enter the code in the app to confirm your account. Once verified, a check mark appears beside your contact details, confirming everything's active. If you don't receive the code, tap Resend Code or check your spam or junk folders for emails. Did your verification code arrive instantly or take a while? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can verify your phone number or email on Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.